Hey, welcome back to Efata's YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss more things that you need to know in English comparison. But before that, you gotta know what comparative and superlative adjectives first. So you may watch our previous videos discussing about these topics. Then you can come back here. Alright, after you watch the videos, I bet you've understood them. So without any further ado, let's get into the discussion. Some people get confused to use these words. Well, if you use these words to compare people, animals, or things, how do we change the words? In either comparative or superlative adjectives, of course. Here is the word. Simple. Is it simpler and simplest, or more simple and the most simple? What do you think? Well, it's simple. The answer is both. You can say the concept of social linguistics is simpler or more simple than computational linguistics. Next word. Tell me the synonym of smart. Yes, it's clever. Now when I want to say Hyeji is the only one who is clever in her school, how do I say it? Now this. Yes, so after guessing all the answers of those questions, you now learn that both versions of those words are fine. You can use with ER and EST or more and most. No problem. Move forward now. Another thing that I want to tell you is irregular adjectives. Do you know what differs irregular and regular? Yeah, it's the form. For irregular, as its name, it doesn't stay the same. The words are going to be different or even completely different. For example, good becomes better, better becomes the best. Then the sentences using these three are going to be like this. Zhang is good at Chinese. Zhang is better at Chinese than Leah. Zhang is the best Chinese speaker in his family. Now to make it easy, I'll write the other irregular adjectives here. A little bit of information, guys. Further and furthest are commonly used in the UK, while farther and farthest are commonly used in USA. Now you may know if someone uses American English or English. Now as usual, what time is it? Yes, it's question time. Please guess the right answers of these questions. Let's start. Well, have you gotten all the answers correct? That's a good job of yours! That's all for comparative and superlative adjectives in English comparison, by the way. We've discussed everything, so I hope you've learned something. Want to learn more things in English with us? Please consider subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell below so you won't miss any updates from us. Till next time!